What's going on is Solo in the building from Solo Network, and I am coming to you because I want to literally give you a guide on how this course will work. In this course, we are offering free trading signals. We are offering step-by-step videos on how to literally make money from home just by trading in the Forex market. But not only that, guys, while you're learning how to trade, you will be making money while you're trading as well. We are literally going to give you trading signals, bring you in our Facebook group, and do live webinars, and also we will be connecting with a bunch of other traders in our community so we all can be successful. Alright, so make sure you click down below, get this product. Also, if you want to stick to this video, you will be seeing what we will offer you in this course. Stay tuned. Solo.
It is because regardless of whatever your rules or confirmations is, candlestick pattern has to be there. So really get in the trade. So you have 3 confirmations right here. You have different confluences to tell you that this is going to continue to go down. Why will we not take this down? Wait on a breakout. Either if the market is going to break down, come up, retest. If the market is going to break up, come back down and retest. So guess what, guys? We got that literally right here. We got the breakout, retest.